Most of us pray before you wake up, right? No, that's wrong. Tulog ka pa nun eh. After you wake up. Start the day with prayer. Open the day is the key. Open the day with prayer. Don't open the day with your cell phone. Scroll ka na ng scroll. Itapon muna kaya. Huwag naman, ilapag mo lang muna yan. That can wait. You know why? All those appointments, all those concerns, wala na yan kung hindi ka nagising ngayong umaga. If you did not wake up this morning, what are all those concerns you have? Wala yan. So first thing is, thank you, Lord. I'm still alive. I always start the day by kneeling down. Because when you kneel down, you don't have to say anything. Lord, I'm just kneeling down. I acknowledge you as my God. I'm grateful. I depend on you. I know you will be with me. You start the day right if you start it with God. Please start the day right. And Jesus reminds us too that you draw strength in prayer. Kung wala kang prayer life, ang dali ka maapektuhan. People, you meet all kinds of people who pressure you, who question you, who demand time from you, demand everything. What do you do? Kung wala kang prayer life, papatulan mo lahat yan. I'd like to share with you very important steps I hope you learn. As karamihan sa atin, we always stepping forward. Keep going. Okay yan. But there's another step you must all learn. A step that says, stop. Forward ka ng forward. Learn to stop. Okay? Number 2, learn to step back. And number 3, learn to step aside. If you don't know these steps, panay ka lang fight ng fight. You choose your battles. Huwag mong papatulan lahat ng mga tao. Kaya times when you say, atras na ako dito.